Robotic arms harvest mature coconuts with precision, reducing risk and labor strain.
Harvested coconuts are quickly loaded for transport to processing facilities. Each shipment is weighed and logged before entering the processing plant. The full harvest is unloaded into the receiving hopper for initial processing.
The shipment weight is digitally verified and recorded.
Laser scanners inspect every coconut for size and surface defects.
Automated systems remove coconuts that fail quality checks.
High-pressure washing removes dirt and surface contaminants.
Rotating brushes scrub away remaining husk debris.
Immersion baths provide deep cleaning before sterilization.
Ultraviolet sterilization reduces microbial contamination.
Clean coconuts are staged on racks before quality testing. Random samples are tested to verify coconut water and meat quality. Heavy-duty claws move coconuts between automated lines.
Robotic arms handle coconuts with precise positioning.
De-husking machines remove the outer fiber efficiently. Mechanical presses crack coconuts into workable halves.
Split halves are aligned and separated for the next stage.
Remaining fibers are stripped from the coconut shells. Coconut fiber is compressed into transport-ready bales. Baled coconut fiber is transported to warehouse storage. Laser systems verify shell integrity before further processing. Automated arms sort coconuts by processing category.
Coconuts are held in cold storage to maintain freshness.
Automated blades split coconuts with consistent precision. Hydraulic claws crack shells with controlled force. Industrial robots transfer coconuts efficiently between processing lines.
Laser-guided cutters ensure perfectly even coconut halves. Laser-guided cutters ensure perfectly even coconut halves.
Pneumatic systems keep the processing line moving at high speed.
Gravity tumbling separates coconut meat from the shell. Discarded shells are ground for secondary use.
Optical systems inspect coconut meat for purity and defects.
Robotic suction tools remove coconut meat without damage. Coconut water is filled and sealed on automated carton lines. Workers visually inspect coconut meat before further processing.
Pick-and-place robots transfer coconut meat with speed and precision.
Robotic arms handle delicate coconut meat with high precision.
High-speed automation enables large-scale coconut processing.
Manual cuts confirm coconut meat texture and freshness. The thin brown skin is removed to ensure clean white coconut meat.
Prepared coconut meat is collected for cutting and further processing.
Coconut meat is fed into slicing machines for uniform cutting.
Dicing machines produce uniform coconut meat cubes. Diced coconut receives a final rinse before extraction.
Grinding and pressing release coconut milk from the meat. Spray washing removes residual milk from pressed coconut. Microbial swabs confirm hygienic processing conditions. Steam treatment ensures additional microbial safety. Steamed coconut meat moves to the next processing stage.
Steamed coconut meat is loaded into grinders for further processing.
Steam injection conditions coconut meat for uniform processing.
High-pressure screw presses extract coconut milk efficiently.
Internal grinders turn coconut meat into a uniform paste.
Digital systems monitor and control every stage of production.
Mixing vats blend coconut milk to a uniform consistency.
Vibrating sieves separate liquid milk from solid residue. Filtered coconut milk is transferred to bulk holding vats.
Laser sensors monitor milk viscosity to ensure consistency.
Operators adjust processing parameters through digital control panels.
Final milk consistency is visually verified before separation.
Centrifuges separate coconut milk components using rotational force.
Bulk transfers move processed milk to the next stage.
Vortex mixing ensures uniform milk consistency.
Milk is transferred smoothly to prevent air incorporation. Pressed coconut pulp is conveyed for byproduct handling. Final filtration removes fine particles from coconut milk.
Fat content is measured to verify product specifications. Quality trends are continuously monitored to maintain consistency.
Lab samples are taken to confirm composition and safety.
Milk is transported through main pipelines to downstream systems.
Each batch receives a permanent production ID for full traceability. Automated vehicles transport milk tanks safely across the facility. Transparent sections allow visual confirmation of flow quality.
Milk continues filling storage tanks from multiple transfer points. Inline mesh filters provide final clarification before packaging.
Transparent piping allows final visual inspection of milk flow.
Steam cleaning sanitizes the system between production runs.
Filters are thoroughly cleaned to maintain hygienic flow.
Wastewater is routed to treatment systems for safe handling. Pressure gauges confirm stable operating conditions.
Concentrated coconut cream is collected for further processing.
Optical analyzers verify milk composition at the molecular level. The HMI dashboard provides real-time visibility across the entire process.
Automated lids seal tanks to protect product integrity. Processed coconut milk is stored in sealed tanks before packaging.
Foam formation is observed during high-volume milk transfer.
Multi-head fillers enable rapid, balanced milk transfer. Gentle mixing maintains uniformity without aeration. Viscosity sensors ensure stable filling conditions. Drip tests confirm consistent flow characteristics.
Manual sampling verifies final milk consistency.
Spectral analysis confirms molecular stability and purity.
Blend ratios are verified to meet exact formulation standards. Thermal pressure is monitored to maintain safe processing conditions.
Multiple nozzles ensure even and efficient filling. Heated milk exits through final output pipes for downstream handling.
Automated vehicles deliver sealed tanks into sterile zones.
Secure doors control access to the tank storage area.
Temperature is precisely set to ensure product safety. Steam pipes deliver controlled heat throughout the processing system. Milk drains smoothly, forming a controlled vortex during transfer.
Cold zones stabilize product temperature during controlled processing.
Final analysis confirms zero viable microbial presence.
High-energy churning ensures complete homogenization.
Precision pipetting, verifies sample uniformity. Microscopic inspection confirms cellular cleanliness. Each batch is permanently marked for full traceability.
Clean room environments protect the product before packaging.
Empty bottles move at high speed toward the filling line.
Robotic systems ensure accurate and hygienic bottle filling.
Filled bottles enter the sterilization tunnel. Steam and UV eliminate any remaining surface contaminants.
Coconut milk is filled into cartons under aseptic conditions.
Caps are applied securely to protect the product.
Laser coating ensures traceability on every package.
Bottles are rinsed externally to maintain cleanliness.
Check weighers remove any package outside the approved weight range. Vision AI inspects every package for visual accuracy. Robotic palletizers stack finished products efficiently and safely.
Shrink wrapping secures pallets for safe transport. Forklifts move sealed pallets to storage and dispatch areas. Finished products are stored in cold conditions to maintain quality. Pallets are stored at height using precision forklift control.
Sensors continuously monitor cold storage conditions.
Stored pallets undergo final quality verification.
Cap sealing is verified to prevent leakage. Viscosity testing confirms consistent product thickness. Crush testing ensures packaging can withstand transport stress.
The control room oversees every stage of production in real time.
Quality approval is granted before dispatch. Approved pallets are loaded for distribution.
Warehouse logistics move with speed and precision.
Pallets are secured inside transport vehicles.
Distribution routes are digitally tracked.
Security seals protect shipments in transit. Finished products leave the factory. Goods arrive at distribution hubs. Inventory is digitally logged.
Retail distribution begins.
Products are positioned for sale.
Coconut milk reaches store shelves. Coconut milk reaches store shelves.